Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Aurora, local and long distance movers near me. Our qualified movers understand how to make sure your long distance move will not only involve all the stress. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, our experts can assist. The best moving services can help make all the difference, and our staff offer just what you need to require for your upcoming relocation. With our moving team to provide you easy access to each of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you need to work with an Illinois moving company, rationalizing the expense can seem tough. When you examine the key benefits you get, though, the price might be a lot easier to manage. A reliable moving company can enable you to save time no matter how far you're going. It will also prevent you from needing to handle heavy lifting. Our crew of expert movers will definitely make sure your move is very efficient. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you obtain a more efficient solution for moving day. Moving locally can be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our North Aurora moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.